Introducing the new ReadyFast Ground Clearer. The Ground Clearer brings you the benefits of innovative technology and a robust build to effectively overcome overgrown land. Easy to manoeuvre over uneven or sloping ground, and with an 18-inch cutting blade, you can enjoy up to 5 times the productivity of conventional strimmers. This clever machine simply does what it says. The Ground Clearer has been designed with safety in mind. The operator, at the rear of the machine, is protected by a rubber curtain which prevents debris flying out, and the safety handle will stop the machine immediately when let go. Operators are strongly recommended to wear heavy shoes, gloves and safety glasses for additional protection. Powered by a 6 horsepower Briggs & Stratton engine, the Ground Clearer safely cuts through long grass, nettles, brambles, blackthorn, gorse, reeds and bracken, even in boggy conditions. It is nimble enough to cut up to tree trunks without damaging the tree, and it mulches as it cuts to reduce clearing up time. The Ground Clearer is simple to use. Switch on the fuel tap. Hold up the black handle to the chrome handle. This releases the brake and allows the blade to turn. Pull the starter cord. The handle folds down for storage or transportation of the machine. The Ground Clearer brings you the benefits of a low cost of ownership, with full backup and spare parts service, available from stock and delivered direct to the customer. The Ground Clearer is a must-have machine for anyone who is responsible for maintaining large plots of land. For more details or to buy direct, call 01384 636 663.